Here is how to fix YouTube homepage not showing videos problem. So first of all, you need to go ahead and turn on watch history on your YouTube. So go ahead, open the YouTube application on your mobile device. Log into your specific account and then tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you're in your profile, you need to go ahead and access your history section. If the watch history is disabled, you need to simply turn it on. For that, you can tap on the settings in the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on Manage All History, that is between billing and payments and your data in YouTube. From here, tap on Saving Your Watch History option. And here you'll get the option of Turn On if it's turned off. Go ahead and tap on that. And go back to home screen and refresh it and see if the problem is fixed. Otherwise, you can populate your watch history as well. You can use the search bar to find videos or channels that you like and watch a variety of good videos on YouTube so you can learn your preferences, and watching different kinds and a good number of videos will improve the YouTube's recommendations. YouTube should now then start recommending content based on your interest. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.